Another new feature to talk about today is new menu section. With this one, you can create a quick way to access links on your website. I'm gonna call it Jumpstart, and it was created right after the home button here. What I wanna do is to put pages under it, and it looks differently. It doesn't include a landing page. That is the difference. So I'm gonna put in it, for example, contact. Most probably I wanna put PD, let's say, if I have something. Any other points you wanna add to it, you can add them as they look like sub pages. Now what happens is that this Jumpstart is different. When I click on About Me, I have a landing page with the title About Me. I am not able to click on Jumpstart. I can't. I can only click on the pages that are under this title. So the section menu over here facilitates creating quick links to access them under one certain category without having to create a landing page for it.